Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. We did install this system about 8 months ago, 9 months ago now, and we uploaded the install video, and we've had several people wanting to see demos. So back out here and installed a full Arachnus network system here, and while I'm here I'll go ahead and record a demo with a Dolby Atmos demo disc we have here, just to give you another rundown of what we have here. We've got the DLA-RS1000 projector. This is from JVC. This is a native 4K HDR projector. We have the Klipsch Pro 18 RW speakers, the Klipsch reference in-wall speakers back here. In the front, we have SVS PC2000, Klipsch RP8000F, Klipsch RP504C, and on the other side another Klipsch RP8000F and SVS PC2000. This is the customer had a 120-inch screen already here, so we're just utilizing that. We're not. I don't try and sell you on new things that you don't need. So if you have a good screen, you don't need another one. So we've got the Control4 EA1 controller, DirecTV cable box. This is the Sony 800 Mark II, a Cool Components AC Infinity, and the Marantz SR5014, as well as a Roku Ultra here. So I'm going to close that. We are using the SR260 remote from Control4. This can be used to control pretty much everything. You hit watch and you can come down here so we can get a little better view. DirecTV, Roku, Prime Video, etc., whatever you want to do. So right now we are in the Blu-ray player. So we've got the Atmos demo disc. So we're going to go ahead and dim the lights and give you a quick demo.
A Dolby Atmos soundtrack transports you from an ordinary moment into an extraordinary experience. Music, people, and things come alive with breathtaking detail and clarity. Sound flows in precise choreography all around you, even overhead, making you feel like you are truly there. Leading movie directors and studios quickly embrace the creative power of Dolby Atmos for the cinema. And now Dolby is ready to bring that experience to your home. Look for Dolby Atmos releases of your favorite movies, with games and other content to follow. Dolby Atmos is the next revolution in sound for home entertainment.
Right, so we're done with the demo. What we're going to do here is show you how the remote works. If we hit watch, we can scroll down and go to the Roku. And it's changing the input on turning the Blu-ray player off, changing the input on the receiver to launch the Roku. Give that a moment. It's just switching because it is now going to a 4K input on the Roku. And there we go. How to wake up the Roku. So now the remote, you can use this to navigate through everything here. Hit the arrows, however you want to go. We want to watch, you go to home, you want to watch Netflix, you just select Netflix, and it launches the Netflix. If you then want to go to DirecTV, you just hit watch here and select the DirecTV. Now changes the input on the receiver.
Are you ready? Yo!
And turns on the DirecTV box. Turn the volume down there. So, and then the projector just takes a second to switch everything over. And here we go. The remote now you press guide, and it brings up your guide and does everything you need to do. If you hit back, takes you back, and this remote replaces everything, and it can grow. We can add in a dimmer in your media room. You can add door locks, thermostats, really whatever you want to do. So we're going to go and turn the room off, just like so. If we want to turn it off, we can hit off. So if we want to go back to Roku, we hit watch, go down, select Roku, and let's say you want to launch YouTube. So let's say you want to go to YouTube once you're on the Roku. You hit watch. We have shortcuts, so you can scroll down to YouTube. And it launches right there. It does the same for Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, whatever you would like. We can go, and we're just using this remote, and we can search and do everything else here just like so. And brings up your favorite home theater company on YouTube. Alright guys, if you're looking for a home theater like this or any other equipment from JVC, Klipsch, Control4, anything like that, please contact us at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. I'll have that down here below for quick and easy access for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos, and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks guys.